guys, happy Wednesday. I am back for the day. Finished up that most recent heat pump job, that Runtru double fan side-discharge heat pump, variable capacity, and the air handler was variable capacity too. I should say variable speed, not variable capacity. Had 20 kW of heat strips. It was a 5-ton heat pump. So, man, I had some really good footage of yesterday's install and what we got done. And somehow those files got corrupted on my phone, and I wasn't able to download them. So I just have today's footage for you. I was hoping to have a whole lot more and be able to tack on yesterday's. I was able to turn yesterday's clips into some shorts. So if you want to see kind of how the first part of it went, you can check out the shorts from yesterday that I did. I think I did like 11 or 12 of them, different clips of yesterday. So if you want to see how this job began. But in the meantime, for today's video, I'll just go ahead and I'll show you a couple pictures that I had on my phone of what I built and what we had done when we left yesterday, or almost what we had done yesterday. We actually did get the system running yesterday, had all the equipment set. Today we just kind of went back and prettied everything up, and I think you guys are going to really love the results of this job. I'm really proud of it. I think it turned out really nice. Took my time as usual and just made sure, you know, like I always say, make every piece of tape count, make every screw count that you screw in, and just take your time. And you know, I really enjoy getting these projects done for my local neighborhood. I consider this area, Central Oregon, my family, and I look forward to many more years of providing good HVAC services for them. And I look forward to many more years of making the videos documenting the work that I do on a daily basis. So anyway, enjoy the video. I thought I was going to have more footage for you, but it is what it is. And I'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, we're back here on wrap-up day. We have this duct here to wrap, and then my little transition up here. I need to fix the electrical and make it code, and then you know, clean up our line set, make everything, pretty everything up. We got the system running yesterday. I didn't get an end video from yesterday, but everything's looking good. I'll probably put a bracket on this guy, an anti-tip something there so he can't tip over. My electrician ran number 6 wire through here, which is way too big for the terminals in this, so I got to put some number 8 in here. I got to redo the wire that's in the whip, clean the line set up out here, pretty everything up, and we will be done. But it's looking good. Should be about a three-hour day to do all this and make it 100%. How do you guys like that temp job, huh? Pretty good. Even used a little bit of insul tube as a bushing in the cabinet there. Get this all cleaned up, put it in the proper slinky, and rewire it back up. Make it nice and clean. What if we can insulate this after, no big deal. Alright, I got both my lines here put in the nice old 1-inch slinky here. 90 connectors. I even put bushings on the top side here, which you can't see, so the wire doesn't rub up against the conduit. I got my electrical landed back in there nice. Each of the grounds is extended with a proper green wire. Everything's landed, everything's tight. I double checked everything, tugged on everything, make sure it was good. My brother's going to continue his insulating over here. I'm going to go outside and fix the electrical on the outdoor unit. I'll show you what's wrong with it. Alright guys, hopefully you can see this. So he ran number 6 wire here, and I had to really fight to get him under the terminals. So we're going to pull this. It doesn't have to be this big. That's just what my electrician had on the truck. So we're going to put number 8 in its place here in the whip. And then I have these eyelet connectors that I'm going to go ahead and use, these crimp connectors that I can put under the terminals. That way I know we got a good connection there. So we're going to redo that. And then obviously I got cleaning up my line and stuff here, insulating that, and wire tying and bundling stuff together. So let's get on it. I'll show you what it looks like when we are finished. All right, let's get this wire swapped over. Matt, yeah, come grab this. Just come grab, pull the conduit straight. Don't grab the wire. Number 6.
Oh yeah, he left you the soap.
I don't need it for this. Connector, might have to pull that connector out of there. Try jiggling it. There it is. Alright, that right there. There she be, number 8. Oh, let's get it put in place. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So I got my eyelet connector on my ground here. It's all buttoned up real good. I got that one kind of cracked a little bit, but it's fine. That's just from my crimpers. It's just the outer plastic part. But we have our 240 volts here now have nice eyelet connectors into the terminals, so we know those aren't going to come loose. Looks real good. Got my low voltage all bundled up there. I'm going to continue on cleaning everything up out here. I still have my disconnect to do. Get my wires landed in there. And I'll get that white wire with my black Sharpie, so it's noted as a 120 volt leg, and I'll also get our surge protector wired in. All right, we got everything tucked in there as neat as can be. You know, it gets pretty busy when you start putting these surge protectors on here, but it is what it is. Got everything tucked in so we can get our plate back on there and get our cover on. I even went ahead and took my Sharpie and colored the one that's white black so it notes that it is a hot leg and not a neutral. Yeah, we're looking good. We're going to go ahead and button this up, then I'll start working on cleaning up the line. I already got my whip here clamped up nice and straight, so we'll clean up the low voltage, clean up the line set, and we'll be done outside. We'll move inside and clean up that line set. All right, Matt's heading inside to check temps in our registers. We already got our static test and checked everything else out as far as all of our numbers off our heat pump, all of our numbers off our air handler. We're looking good. So we're all loaded up there. We got that 5-ton old Goodman beast in there finally. We're about 5 minutes from getting out of here. Let me show you the job. Wish I had better lighting, but it is what it is. Hold on a second. All right, I wanted to start that over because it was kind of blurry because of that stupid plastic phone cover I have. So yeah, we're all loaded up. Show you that this isn't a piece of crap camera. So here's our final product, guys. Take a look, see there. Got everything all wrapped. This doesn't have to be wrapped up here because it's sound lined. It's good to go. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I really like the bubble wrap. And we got our easy trap here on our drain. I don't do a secondary safety switch in garages because I don't want nuisance service calls. I'd rather they just saw the water dripping down, which it looks like the old one did. But everything looks real nice. Let me show you the outside. She's running her big double fan beauty. Oh, we still got to caulk this hole real quick. I'll get my brother on that, or I'll do it. It's It's nice to do these little final videos. I can see if anything was missed. But you can see I got everything all bundled up all nice here. Low voltage and line voltage are nice and zip tied together. Everything's all nice and clean. Line set's all taped and nice and zip tied clean. Don't really need to get a clamp on it there. It'll be fine. But you can see everything's a nice straight line. Shot, Matt. Get one last little money shot here of the unit. That's your Runtru variable capacity heat pump. Go back inside here real quick. We got our 20 by 25. I stole this filter out of this F100 one day, so I just went and got one at Home Depot, a Filtrete 20 by 25 by 4 to put in there. And there's our packet holder. It's got all our paperwork in there. Put the install date there, and then you always want to make sure that you mark what heat strips you put in, or it won't pass code, or it won't pass inspection, I should say. Inspector will call you out on it. You'll say, well, you didn't mark which heat kit you have in there. But one more look.
Look at the wrapping.
That's a wrap, literally.